Good morning, students. So today the next topic is norma frontalis. So now we are going to begin with this portion, norma frontalis. I told you that what is the norma? Norma is the view. Now norma frontalis represents the view that you are seeing from front. किस चीज़ का view? Skull का view. So this is norma frontalis. So norma frontalis is roughly oval in outline. You can see this is roughly oval in outline, being wider above. You can see it is wider above than below. Now first of all we will deal with the bones that are present here. First bone you can see in the norma frontalis is this bone. This is the frontal bone. The frontal bone, it forms the forehead. As you know, this is the frontal bone. It is forming the forehead. Its upper part is smooth and convex. इसका upper part क्या है? Smooth है and convex. The upper part of the frontal bone is smooth and convex. But the lower part is irregular. You can see the lower part of this bone is irregular and is interrupted by these two openings. These are called the orbits. So what we were discussing, this is the frontal bone. Frontal bone का upper part is smooth and convex and the lower part is roughened and it is interrupted by these two openings. These two openings are the orbits. Next is these bones. This bone and this bone, the upper jaw. This is right and left maxilla, which are separated from each other by intermaxillary suture, as you can see. Next is right and left nasal bones. You can see in this skull also right and left nasal bones. These two smaller bones, this bone and this bone, these are separate. These two bones are separated by another suture. This is internasal suture. Clear? Next is zygomatic bone. This is zygomatic bone. In between these two sutures, this is zygomatic bone, this is maxilla. This is zygomatic bone. Zygomatic bone also known as cheekbone. This is zygomatic bone. So this is also a paired bone. We will discuss the sutures over here in the further part of the lecture. So again, what all bones you are seeing in this norma frontalis? First is the frontal bone. You can see this is the frontal bone, wider above and wider and smooth, and in the lower part it is irregular, interrupted by these two orbits. Next is this bone. This is maxilla. ठीक है, and lateral to the maxilla there is two another bone. These are the zygomatic bones. These are the zygomatic bone, also known as cheek bones. These two are the nasal bones. These two are the nasal bones. Also you can see this lower jaw, that is mandible. So now the norma frontalis will be studied under the following headings. First it will be the frontal region. This is the frontal region. Then these two are the orbital regions. Then also the lower part of the face, which consists of the maxilla, zygomatic and the mandible bone. So first of all we'll study the frontal region. So this is the frontal region. In the frontal region we will see the following features. First is, you can see very clearly in this skull, these are the superciliary arches. These are the superciliary arches that are rounded and curved elevations situated just above the medial part of the orbit. Just above the medial part of the orbit, these are the superciliary arches. Okay. Next point is the glabella. Glabella is the median elevation connecting the two superciliary arches. This region is known as glabella, where जहाँ पे अक्सर बिंदी लगाई जाती है, that is the part of the glabella. Meeting point of the two superciliary arches. What is superciliary arch? The rounded elevation situated on the median part of the orbit. Next is the, you can see I told you this is which suture, this is one nasal bone and this is another nasal bone. In between these two nasal bones this is internasal suture, ठीक है. And which is this bone? This is frontal bone. The median point of the root of the nose where is this internasal suture will meet the frontonasal suture. So this is frontal bone, these two are the nasal bones. You can see this suture is the frontonasal suture. The point where the internasal suture is meeting with this frontonasal suture is known as nasion. Clear? What is this suture? This is फ्रंटोनेजल सूचर, दिस इज इंटरनेजल सूचर. नेजियन क्या पॉइंट है जहाँ पे इंटरनेजल सूचर इज मीटिंग विद दिस फ्रंटोनेजल सूचर जस्ट बीनीथ द ग्लैबेला. ग्लैबेला वाज द मीटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द टू सुपरसिलियरी आर्चेस. The frontal tuber, next is the frontal tuber. It is the rounded elevation just above the, this rounded elevation just above the superciliary arches. It is more prominent in females as compared to males. Next is this, these two are the bony orbits, these two are the orbital openings. Now each orbital opening you can see it is quadrangular in shape. It is quadrangular in shape, therefore it has four margins: superior margin, medial, inferior and lateral margin. Now the supraorbital margin is formed by, you can see which bone, this is the frontal bone. Infraorbital margin is formed by the, which is this bone, this is maxilla. So infraorbital margin is formed by the maxilla in the medial part and zygomatic in the lateral part, and this lateral margin is formed by solely by the zygomatic bone, and in the upper part slight part of this frontal bone is coming. So what I was talking about the margins of the orbit, superior margin या supraorbital margin is formed by the frontal, infraorbital by two bones, maxilla and zygomatic, and lateral margin is formed by the zygomatic. ठीक है. The medial margin is ill defined and it is formed by the frontal bone above maxilla and one lacrimal bone. So these are just a little bit introduction about the orbit. The orbit will be dealt in another separate class. Clear? Next is the nasal aperture, the anterior bony aperture of the nose. You can see this is the pear shaped. What is another bone that you can see in the body that is pear shaped? That is the glenoid cavity. It is also pear shaped. So the anterior aperture of the nasal cavity, it is also pear shaped, being wide in the lower part and narrow above. So boundaries, you can see above it is bounded by the two nasal bones and below by the nasal notch of the body of the maxilla, the nasal notch of the body of the maxilla. Next we come to the articulation of this bone. This bone was the nasal bone. This bone was the nasal bone. अब इसकी articulations क्या हैं? यहाँ पे किसके साथ इस सूचर को क्या बोला? फ्रंटोजाइगोमैटिक सूचर, सॉरी फ्रंटोनेजल suture. So this is frontal bone, this is nasal bone. So this is frontonasal suture. So in the superiorly it is articulating with the frontal bone and anteriorly it is articulating with the nasal bone of the opposite side, forming the internasal suture, and posteriorly with the frontal process of the maxilla. You can see I told you the process. अगर ये maxilla bone है, maxilla bone अगर frontal bone की तरफ जा रही है तो this portion of the maxilla bone is now called as फ्रंटल प्रोसेस ऑफ दिस मैक्सिला बोन। मैक्सिला बोन का वो पोर्शन जो दूसरी बोन की तरफ जा रहा हो, जिस बोन की तरफ जा रहा है वो उस बोन का प्रोसेस बन जाता है। सो दिस पोर्शन विल बी नोन एज फ्रंटल प्रोसेस ऑफ द मैक्सिला। ठीक है, सो पोस्टीरियरली इट विल आर्टिकुलेट विद द फ्रंटल प्रोसेस ऑफ द मैक्सिला एंड इंफीरियरली यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं अपर नेजल कार्टिलेज। Now the anterior nasal spine, you can see this is a sharp projection in the median plane. This is the sharp projection in the lower boundary of this pear shaped aperture. This is anterior nasal spine. What is another point? That is rhinion, R-H-I-N-I-O-N. Rhinion is the lowermost point of the internasal suture. दिस इज विच सूचर? इंटरनेजल सूचर। इसका लोअर मोस्ट पॉइंट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? रीनियन। ठीक है, एंड ये क्या था? नेजियन। ये कौन सा पॉइंट था? ग्लाबुला। नेक्स्ट इज द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द फेस। फर्स्ट वी विल स्टडी द मैक्सिला। आई टोल्ड यू दिस बोन इज द मैक्सिला। द मैक्सिला contributes in the formation of the, it contributes largely in the formation of the facial skeleton. Now anterior surface, this is the anterior surface of the maxilla. Anterior surface of the body presents, सबसे पहले this, you can see this is the nasal notch. Anterior surface of the body forms the nasal notch. Then उसके साथ हम अभी कर चुके हैं this is nasal spine. Anterior, क्योंकि anterior side है तो anterior nasal spine. ऑल्सो यू कैन सी दिस इज़ द एंटीरियर सर्फेस ऑफ द मैक्सिला। यहाँ पे आपको एक फोरामिना नज़र आ रही है। दिस इज़ द इंफ्रा ऑर्बिटल फोरामिना। अब यू कैन सी दीज आर द एलिवेशंस ऑन द मैक्सिला, दीज आर द फॉसास। हियर इन बिटवीन these are the fossas. These are known as canine fossas. Lateral to it will be these are the incisive fossas. Lateral to it will be canine fossas. Now the various processes of this maxilla bone. This is maxilla, so this is the frontal process of the maxilla. This process of the maxilla, it is directed upwards. It is articulating with the nasal bone anteriorly and lacrimal bone. This is lacrimal bone posteriorly. ठीक है, and with the frontal bone superiorly. Which process is this? This is the frontal process of the maxilla. It is articulating with the nasal bone here, ठीक है, and with the frontal bone here and with the lacrimal bone over here. ठीक है, first process. Next is the zygomatic process. This is which bone? Zygomatic bone. This is maxilla. This zygomatic process of the maxilla, this is the zygomatic process of the maxilla. It is a short process but it is stout and it is articulating with this bone. This is the zygomatic bone. Next is these alveolar processes of the maxilla. Alveolar process of the maxilla is bearing socket for the upper teeth. These are the sockets which will bear the upper teeth. Next is the zygomatic bone. This is the zygomatic bone. The zygomatic bone informs the prominence of the cheek. Here we bears one foramina, zygomaticofacial foramina. Zygomaticofacial foramina is seen on this surface. We were talking about which surface? Anterior surface. And zygomaticotemporal, I talked about which was, this is zygomaticotemporal foramina. Can you see this? Next is the lower jaw bone. This is mandible. The lower jaw bone, mandible. The upper, this is the upper border of the mandible, the upper border or the alveolar arch, which is lodging the lower teeth. Then the lower border is thick and is known as the base, and it is rounded. The middle point of the base, this is known as the mental point or the gnathion. Mental point or the gnathion. This is the upper border, this is mandible. Mandible has an upper border which bear the sockets for the lower jaw. Then this is the lower border. Lower border is thickened and is also called the base. The middle point of this lower border is known as mental point or the gnathion. Next is it has an anterior surface. So this is the body of the mandible. This has an anterior surface and a posterior surface. The anterior surface has the symphysis menti. This is the triangular area. This is mental protuberance, and these two are the mental tubercles. Symphysis menti is the meeting point of these two halves of the mandible, and this is protuberance, mental protuberance, and the lateral end of this mental protuberance, these two are the mental tubercles. These foramina you can see on the anterior surface of the mandible is the mental foramina. So this is mandible. Mandible has a body anteriorly, and you can see these two that are projecting upwards. These are the rami. Body anteriorly and rami are projecting upwards. So you will deal with the this mandible separately. So I told you which are these two bones. These are the nasal bones, which are separated with each other by internasal suture. Next is this bone. This is maxilla. You can see this suture and this suture. In between these two sutures lies maxilla. So this bone is the maxilla. So now zygomatic bone. Zygomatic bone के processes होते हैं. This is the frontal process, this is the temporal process, and this is the maxillary process. Clear? So in between एक suture ये हो गया जो इसको separate कर रहा है from the frontal bone. Another suture is this which is separating this from the temporal bone, and this is another suture which is separating this zygomatic bone from the maxilla. Clear? So the names of the sutures will be accordingly. So in between the zygomatic and maxillary, this is zygomatico-maxillary. Zygomatic and frontal, zygomatico-frontal. Zygomatic and temporal, zygomatico-temporal. In between the two nasal bones, internasal. In between the maxilla and nasal, nasomaxillary. And this is maxilla, frontal, frontomaxillary. So this is one maxilla, this is another maxilla. In between these two maxilla, intermaxillary suture, and this is frontonasal suture. The meeting point of the frontonasal suture with the internasal suture is the nasion.